Hey guys, how are you all doing, guys? Guys, let's make breakfast. Yummy egg socks for breakfast, guys. So let's go. So guys, breakfast today, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to use for my breakfast. I'm going to make some delicious egg sauce, okay? So let me show you guys. Yeah, I have my tomatoes, my onion, then the eggs that I'm going to use in there. I have 4 eggs, 4 tomatoes, and 1 onion, which I'm not going to be using that whole onion because it will be too much. So I'm going to be using half of that onion, 1 pepper, as you guys can see. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this egg sauce. So join me, you guys. Let's get started. So first I'm going to clean my veggies, my tomatoes, pepper, onion. I'm going to clean that, you guys. So yeah. So yes, the onion, I'm going to be using half of that because if I use the full one, it will be too much, you guys. So that is why I'm going to be using half. Okay, yeah, you guys, that is what I'm doing right here. So you guys, how are you all doing? How is everything? We are now in the month of December, so we give all glory to God. It is not easy, right? It is not by our power, neither is it by our strength. It is the grace of God that is keeping us all. So you guys, how is the family? How is everyone right there? So yeah, thank you for always being on my YouTube channel, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing all those good stuff, you guys. Thank you all, guys. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribing. I post a lot of videos on this my YouTube channel, you guys. Name it. There is no video I don't post here, right? I post cooking videos, shopping videos, all those lifestyle content. When I'm sometimes when I'm going out with my child, with my baby, I also make videos of our acting, our fun time, you guys. So please do me a favor by subscribing, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know you will like it here. Yeah, you guys. So yeah, I've sliced the tomatoes, onion. Then I'm going to slice the pepper, you guys. I just use one pepper because I know that it will be enough and the egg sauce is not that much, so that's why I decided to use one pepper because this pepper is very hot, you guys. Yeah, after doing that, I'm going to clean the sink. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, I will. Yeah, that is my eggs. I'm going to wash it before I break it, you guys. Because you don't know where that egg have been, where they have kept it before they package it, right, to the supermarket. So that is why I always like to wash it before I break my eggs, you guys. Okay, this is what I'm doing here. So all the ingredient is ready. Now I'm going to bring in my fry pan. Okay, yes, my fry pan. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on my fry pan, you guys. Yeah, then I'll first of all fry the onions to how I want it to be before I will bring in the tomatoes, you guys. Egg sauce is very easy to make. Okay, there are different ways to fry your eggs. There are the one that you will just fry it like that. There are scrambled egg. Different type of way and method you can fry your egg, you guys. So this one is also one of it. Okay, this is what I use for my breakfast on this day. Yep, you guys. So I'm going to fry these tomatoes. I'm going to fry it to how I want it to be. Yeah. So I just add in my pepper. I just add in that pepper. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to fry this tomatoes until the oil in it will come up. Okay. When you are frying your tomatoes, even your maybe when you are cooking stew, whenever you are frying your tomatoes, the way you will know that your tomatoes is ready is when you see the oil coming up, right? That is how you will know. And your tomatoes is ready. Your tomato sauce is ready. Yep, you guys. That is what I'm doing here. I just adding 1/2 Knorr cube. I add 1/2 Knorr cube. That is chicken flavor, you guys. It's what I just add into the sauce. Okay, just to give it that delicious taste. That is why I add 1/2 Knorr cube to it, you guys. Yeah, here's the egg. So I just add a little bit of salt to the egg, you guys. Then I will stir it and stir it and stir it like this before we add it into the sauce, into the tomato sauce that I'm already frying on the fry pan, right? So this is how it look like now. So now I cannot add the egg to it. You can make yours as you want it to be, okay? There are some people who don't like the tomato that they're going to use for their egg sauce to be too soft, you know. So it depends on how you like yours. That is how you will do it. This is how I like mine. Okay, and it came out so well and so delicious, you guys. Yeah. So you know that when you just add your egg into your tomato sauce, you don't need to stir it too hard, okay? We'll be stirring it just bit by bit, small by small, the way I'm doing it right now. Okay, so after some time, then I will now stir it together like so. Our egg sauce is ready. It is done. It is ready. And it was so good, you guys. It was so delicious. Yeah. So, yeah, it is ready. Now it's for me to add it into my plate. Like this, you can see how delicious it looked, right? That is how delicious it was. It was really good. Yeah, you guys, that is what I'm doing here. That is me. Smell nice. Hope you guys, this is what I'm doing right here. So let me make just short video of it, of what I had on my breakfast on this day, and it was so good. It was so delicious. So I'm going to have this with some bread and yeah, some yeah, that is what I'm doing right here, guys. I'm going to have that egg sauce with some bread, you know, with some cappuccino, guys. You can use anyone that you have. Is either you take cappuccino, coffee, or whatever you want to eat it with. So today I was using I'm going to eat it with cappuccino. Okay, you guys know how cappuccino tastes, no? It's almost like coffee too. Okay, guys, so this is all there is. I said let me show you guys a very short video of what I had on this day on my breakfast. So hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, all those good stuff. So I just add this sweetener just to give it that taste. Okay, this one is sweetener. It's not sugar, it's just sweetener. Okay, you can use it for your coffee, you can use it for your cappuccino, you can use it for your teas. Yeah. So guys, thank you all for watching. Okay, please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all those good stuff, you guys. I do post a lot of videos on this channel. Okay, do me a favor by subscribing. Bye, love you guys. Mwah.